Okay, so today we're looking at statistics multiple choice questions. Of course, you know that we have to review some things before we get into the questions. So let's go. All right, so the first thing that we're going to look at just briefly is the pie chart, right? We know that the pie chart looks like a circle. Well, it is circular and it has different slices like a pizza, a circular pizza, right? Things that we need to know about the pie chart. We calculate each share by putting the portion that each part is shared into over the total amount being shared multiplied by 360 degrees. That is how we get the angle for each portion. So this is an angle, that is an angle, that is an angle, etc. Generally, shares are measured in a particular order. We can go from small to big or big to small, but not all the time. Not everybody does it, right? So if you look at this pie chart, you'd see that they're in order of size. If we're going from this red sector here, then it would mean that we're going from big to small. If we're starting at the blue in a clockwise direction, that would show that we're going from small to big. All right. And then we have the bar chart. Bar charts, usually the bars are spaced, but not all the times. Sometimes the bars are joined. Another thing that we need to know is that the height of the bar gives the frequency. So for example, with this bar chart, apples, as you can see, the axis is labeled. So on the vertical axis where you would have the frequency, this is actually telling us that 40 apples were sold. 60, well, close to 60 bananas, and somewhere near 30 grapes, etc., etc. So the height of the bar generally gives you the frequency. All right, so let's look at some statistical terms that you would have learned before, just a refresher. All right, so we have mode, which is what? The most frequently occurring data piece. So if I say 55554, 32553, 2145554, what would be the mode? Well, without you writing down anything that I just said, I'm sure you heard 5 a whole lot of time more than any other number. So 5 would have been our mode. The median, right? That's the middle number. But it's not just a random middle number. You actually have to arrange the data pieces in order, whether it be ascending or descending order. And from there, you identify the middle number, or the middle number. And then we have the average or mean. For those who are more mathematical, they would say arithmetic mean, which is the same as average. So the mean is the average you're used to, where you add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers, right? And of course, you'll see it in the questions. Mean, mode, and median. Range. What is range? Well, it's right before your eyes, right? It's the difference between the highest and the lowest data piece. So if I give you 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, what's the biggest number you heard? 10. What's the lowest? 5. So the range of that set of data would be 10 minus 5, which would give us 5. And probability. What is probability? It's the chance of something happening, the chance of something occurring. Alright, so those are, bits of information that you need to remember. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.